Hi there, this is Pondon Aquarium. Actually, the bubbles are the result of oxygen being released into the water, and this oxygen tube is specifically designed to transport oxygen into the tank. And additionally, this transparent oxygen tube has a fixed position. And this is the knob end. It should be secured in the fish tank, and it can control the amount of oxygen being released into the tank. As you can see, this is released oxygen, and now it shouted, right? And the other end is secured into the pump. Let me show you more specifically.